shot laser dart, as always. See if we can get the wires on the other side for you guys. There we go. So that's the HPA thing. Yeah, pretty good. More videos on this coming soon, and yeah, thank you for watching.